Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I will show you how to make a beet sandwich. First, unwrap your square cheese. And put it on your thing, then open your mustard up. Then just put the mustard on your bread.
Do you want to spread it out at all?
Then you can carefully grab a spreading knife that you might have and just spread it out like it's just like spreading mustard. And this is mustard. And you would like to put it on this side so it would taste good. Then carefully put the knife on there and put your cheese on it. Then if you have meat, you can put it on the cheese. Then I would like to put some raisins on it.
What?
It tastes good. If you have any of these, you could put them on there. I'm gonna keep some in there. Then you put the top on. Then you're done. Then just put all the things away. Then if you have an adult to help you, you can ask your dad or your mom to fold it up. Or you could keep it like this. Now you're done. And put your cheese wrapper into the garbage after you finish your beet sandwich. And put all your stuff on by here. And if you want to lick the knife off, you can. Then you're done.